Hey everyone, I am Arjit and you're watching Connect Tech House English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I am gonna continue our portfolio with Python series. So guys, let's continue our exciting journey. So guys, we were here at our portfolio. Now in this video I am gonna create that text box for the chatting. So here we will get the prompt, and prompt will be kind of this: st.text input, and it will ask question, and this will be a chatbot. This text box will be a chatbot, and if someone click on st.button ask to chat bot, then run this, and here we are gonna simply simply write the prompt. And guys, let's see this. Now it is like this, but now we have to make it a bit bigger. So let's give it container width. I think that's container width. Yes, use container width. That's use container width. So use this one. Now let's rerun. See. Hi. And let's give it a restriction. We will add the AI model later, but right now let's just add some basic UI. Firstly, we will create our base, then we will add the functionalities. And use this code. This means that if prompt is not null, then run this code, else run this else part. Please provide prompt. Let's see this, and if it is working, then let's see like this: please provide prompt, and a full stop. Okay, that's working. So after that we have to add our skill, and we will add that later. So that's it guys, this is in the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks guys, thanks for your video.